Yo, what's up? This is your boy DJ from Garage UAE PHTV, and I'm here right now to show you the projects that I'm thinking to build uh, this month or this year. Actually, I think this one for a couple of months already, but it happens that a couple of days ago, a friend of mine told me that he has a car or a potential car that we can build for this year. This is the project Impakta. I got this one from a couple of days ago with my friend of mine, and actually if I ask you about it, you're gonna tell me this is a scrap already. But for me, or for us with my friends, this car has a potential already for me. But good thing it already has the tires and rims, but the rims is made in Taiwan. But let me show you the interiors. With the interiors, actually forget about the chairs or the car seats because I'm going to remove all of those. Impacta has an automatic transmissions. Then actually, if with the steering wheel, I'm going to remove that one as well. But with this car, it has power windows already. But the dashboard, I'm going to replace that one. But as of now, still usable. But maybe if I find a fresh dashboard or something, I might do anything about it. With this project, it has D16 engine, but the other day I already tried to check a couple of things on this. I already checked the spark plugs on it, but still need to clean the spark plug. But actually, after I fix the engine, I just need to make it run, and then at the same time going to sell it because I already have a buyer for this engine. But as you can see, on this side of Impacta is still you just need to repaint it. You don't need to change the doors. On this part, I just need to get the plastic panel for it, but actually I already have it. And then need to replace the side mirror, headlights. The bumper actually is fine, but because I just need to repaint and find the fog lamps for it. But however, on this side, the rear door is damaged already. You see that one? Something crashed on this door. But yesterday I tried to find a door for me to be able to remove this one or to change this. But the good thing with this part, the door is crashed or damaged, but the chassis is still intact. Here, the chassis is still intact, and this is the door that I found yesterday. Actually, I'm going to put this one today. But the thing with this door, it's only a manual door. So the things I need to do is to remove the power mechanism on this door and then transfer it to the new door. Then while searching some parts yesterday, I also find pedals, since I'm going to convert this one as a manual. for us to be able to finish this one, I think much better if we're going to start to remove this old door already and replace it with a new one. So come and join me, dismantle this door and put the other one. The main reason why I got this idea because I need to send my other car for a new paint job. So the thing is, if I'm going to send my car to a paint job, I don't have a car to use for daily drive. So since my car is still usable and I don't have any issues with it, so I need to finish this project Impakta before I send the other one. So even though it will take time to finish this project, it's fine with me since that car is still usable. So right now I need to dismantle this door. So actually there is I'll show you. To dismantle this door, I need to remove these two bolts, nuts, and then at the same time this one. So for me to be able to dismantle this, I need some ratchet. Right now, since I already removed the other door, it happens that when I got this door, it doesn't have this notch.
And now I'm going to remove this one and transfer it here.
already transfer it from here. Same here. So right now it's ready to transfer to the car chassis. Most of the screws is not that tight because later on I need to align this door. Should be there's a space from here. So I need to adjust this one on this part so it will incline like this. Since I already screws this part, the next part that we need to screw is on this side, this one. So after that one we're going to remove all the internals since this door is manual, and then remove the power windows from here and put it on that door. So that's it. I'm already done replacing the damaged door on this rear passenger side. Then I also done with the alignment. So that's all for today. And if you like this video, just hit the like button, and then there's a subscribe button there if you want to see the next vlog. Then for you to get notified, hit the bell button as well. And then actually just want to ask this question, because as of now I'm thinking of using the K series engine to use on this project, but as per my computation it's too expensive. So if I'm going to go with the K series engine, I might do it in the Philippines rather than here in UAE. So as of now I'm aiming for a B series engine, a B18C or a B16A, so in case I want to put a turbo on it. But please do comment below, so if in case you have some ideas or comments what engine that's much better to use on this project. On this coming vlog I'm going to fix this engine. I hope it will work, and then at the same time I'm going to change the filter, put some new batteries, change oil, and then flushing it. So watch out for the next vlog.